Garmin nuvi 40. This will also work on a nuvi 50. What I'm about to show is we're going to change this from green to blue. And the way we do that is change the locale. On this generation of the 30, 40, and 50, you have to reset the unit. It's just the way it is. So I'm going to power it off by tapping the power button off. And I'm going to tap it to go on and then press and hold the bottom right. We're going to do a reset. We will pick a specific locale after the reset and we'll have blue. Erase all user data. Yep, we're about to lose all our favorites. Oh no. Yeah, if you do this, again, you lose all your favorites. So, old school model from 2014. So yeah, you got to do it. And then there is some setup afterwards because we have to reset the language so we can read it. Restart, restart, come on and finish. Okay, so instead of United States, I think I'm going, nope, I'm going the wrong way. Nope, did I get it? Okay. Russian. Why this? Because if you use United Kingdom, it will change feet to yards, which for me is weird. So if we use this one, we still get miles and feet instead of miles and yards. So that's the one we're going with. Yep. Okay. Yep. Alright. Let's turn the simulator. I'm sorry, I'm going through this quick. Okay. From here, settings, language, and we change this one to American English. Okay, and then this one, I will just use that keyboard. Oh, there it is. American English. Okay. Yeah, I'm indoors right now. Oh, good, it turned it. I was going to do that anyway because I wanted to turn on the indoor thing so I can set the what do you call it, coordinates, which we'll do in a moment. Okay, oh yeah, so we'll do navigation. I'll get my avoidances set up the way I like. Route preference is fine. Time change from 24-hour to 12. The time is wrong because it thinks it's over in another part of the world, which is fine, because that will automatically adjust when it gets a GPS signal later. For the map, yeah, I want to use just the Garmin issued maps for this one, although I do have open map chest in this. For now, I'll leave that as a standard layout, and I believe that's it. So from here, I will do a where to and cities. Oh, can I change country? Because right now, oh, that reminds me, I forgot something. Okay, that's okay. Because I got to go back here and change another thing, which is, yep, there we go. Safe mode off. Simulator on. Units is miles. Okay. I think we're good. Yeah. So, okay, now go where to. Just put it somewhere in the United States. Okay, right now it's over in another part of the world. So change the format to decimal degrees. Okay, and I will do north 45, and west 4590. I think this is actually a landmark, the 45 by 90. Pretty sure. And we'll just set location. Okay. So we're in the United States now. Look, ooh, it's blue. Nice. Actually, let me check that points of interest. Attractions, am I right? Oh yeah, the 4590 geographical marker. Okay, I'm surprised I remembered that. Yeah, that's what that is. It's in Wisconsin. So if you ever want to go somewhere which is GPS nerdy specific, I believe that's like the center of the direct center of the United States or something like that. So it's the easiest coordinates in the world. It's north 45, west 90. So that's cool. But anyway, let's get back over to Texas here. Okay, where to? Cities, that's what I want. Okay, spell. Oh, there we go. Set. There we go. And let's turn the volume down a little bit. And let's do a gas station. Okay, view the map. Hit the icon. Hit the icon. Hit, there we go. Pick something with some distance. Get.
Turn right, then turn left.
Yeah, see here? Feet. That's what I was talking about.
Turn left, then turn right.
Because if this was United Kingdom locale, I would say yards. So it's feet and miles, which is what I want. I'll let this run for a little bit.
Turn right, then turn left.
Now the only thing remaining at this point is to bring it out of the house and then let it get a signal. But other than that, this thing is pretty much all set up. Oh yeah, speed limits do show up like this instead of the normal North American look. That's really the only thing different here. So we got feet, and I'm waiting to show it
Turn left.
in miles so I can show you the miles part. And here we go, miles. And that's that. These instructions are the same on the nuvi, the 3.5 inch 30. This is a 40 and the 50. Works on all three.
In half a mile, keep left.